So welcome back into It's Andre and Michelle Sis Kitchen. We are making some nachos and I'm really excited to share these nachos with you guys because they're simple, easy, minimal, just a minimal recipe. There's not a lot of minimal recipes out there for food. If you're gonna go minimal, you're gonna go all out minimal, okay? Recipes, club, all that stuff, you're gonna go. But there's not enough recipes for the minimal or the minimalist. And I'm minimal. So the things that you will need for just some simple nachos. And I'm thinking I got hold on. Some red sauce. I got some enchilada sauce. But anyways, it could be a great little shindig to add. But first of all, you need some ground beef or ground turkey. I like ground beef for my nachos, and I rarely like to eat a lot of ground beef. I stick to ground turkey a lot. But for the nachos, honey, we need some ground beef. Okay. So I bought ground beef at Target, which was not that expensive. And then remember to use your cartwheel as well to rack up on that extra money that you can go back and spend on anything. You need some. I bought this at the little I think it's called Cost Plus Malone's or something like that. It's a Spanish store and they sell all kinds of food, American food, tacos, fajitas, all that good stuff. And Babe went and bought the taquitos, tostitos, and these are the salsa verde ones. They're really good. This will be our first time using those in nachos. And then I had some Italian style cheese left over from the what was it called? Because we had, like, it was my first time, the tortellini, and I still have some of that left. And then Babe bought some of the cheddar for tacos, but we're not having tacos, we're having simple nachos. So I got the meat going here. The seasonings I use today is simple. I use some of my garlic salt. Make sure your meat is seasoned, okay? Seasoned. I use some of this minced garlic and parsley by Badia. Mom got this from, I think, Big Lots. And then I just have some salt and pepper in my mason jar. And that's all we used in the meat. And you guys, I put the meat in this little saucepan because I had some oil back there. And I'm sick and tired of washing those dishes. So I'm not about to do it. So I just think, like, if you cook it inside of a little sauce pot, it gets done quicker. I'm going to sit you guys down really quick.